What's up with what and which, an English learning experience? Hello, language learners. We're back with another exciting grammar tutorial. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of interrogative determiners, focusing on which and what. These two words may seem simple, but they have distinct uses in different contexts. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp on using these determiners correctly. Let's start off by understanding what, and which really are. They're known as interrogative determiners, and they're used to ask specific questions about people or things. Now, you might ask, what's the difference between the two? What is used when the number of possible answers is unlimited. For example, what is your name? Here, there are countless possible answers. Which, on the other hand, is used when the number of possible answers is limited. For instance, which is your car? The person you're asking knows you're referring to a specific group of cars they might own. Now that we know the basic difference, let's move on to some practice exercises. Time for some fun. We're going to do a series of exercises to strengthen your understanding of what and which. 1. Fill in the blank with either what or which blank do you think is the best solution to the problem? 2. Write a question using what to ask someone about their favorite book. 3. Write a question using which to ask someone to select their favorite color from a given list. Feel free to pause the video here, give these questions a shot, and come back when you're ready to discuss the answers. Alright, are you ready to check your answers? Let's dive in. 1. The correct answer is, which do you think is the best solution to the problem? Why? Which? Because we assume the person we are asking has been given a limited number of solutions to choose from. 2. One possible question could be, what is your favorite book? The options here are virtually unlimited, hence, what is appropriate. 3. An example could be, which is your favorite color? Blue, red, or yellow? Again, the options are limited, making which the correct determiner. Did you get them all right? If not, don't worry. Practice makes perfect. And that wraps up our quick but comprehensive guide on using what and which in English. Remember, the key difference between the two is whether the possible answers to your question are unlimited, what, or limited, which. Practice using these determiners in your daily conversations, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy language learning.